All right, in this video, I'm going to be replacing the positive battery terminal on my Nissan Pathfinder. You can see the one on the left is the one that was on the vehicle, and it broke into pieces when I was replacing the battery. I do need to save the nuts. I don't know why the one from Nissan didn't come with any nuts on it, but I picked up one from Canadian Tire and it just did not fit. But it was good enough to get me to Nissan to actually get one of their Nissan branded ones. So I was a little concerned because it says Earth terminal, which would indicate to me that it should be the negative battery terminal, but it is, other than the material, obviously, is down the line identical to the other positive battery terminal. So I'm not too sure why it says Earth or if there's even really a difference, but this is the one they gave me and it works fine and it looks the same. But like I said, it is a different material and for some reason it is missing the nut. So I do have to use the nuts off the old one. So just keep that in mind if you're going to order a new battery terminal. Keep your hardware, keep things like your nuts. Now, just because I'm doing the positive terminal, it doesn't mean that I'm not going to take the battery terminals off in the correct order. So when you're taking the battery terminals off, you're going to do the negative battery terminal first and then remove the positive battery terminal. When you put things back together, it's going to be the opposite of that. So I've got the negative off and I've already replaced the corrosion protectors, those red and green washer pads. So those are good to go. Now, the reason I'm really changing this Canadian Tire one out is because obviously that piece of plastic doesn't fit on correctly. So it will be exposed to the elements. And also, it puts that fusible link, that bundle of electrical wires everything's connected to, at a bit of a steep angle, which is obviously, again, not what you want. To avoid future breakdowns, I'm just going to get rid of this one that I picked up for about $8 at Canadian Tire. It got me to Nissan and back, and then it got me the proper positive battery terminal for the fusible links. I do need to put the bolt that is obviously on the battery terminal up and through both of the wires that are on the fusible link. And like I said, I do need to take the nut off the old one and install it on the new one. So overall, very simple to do so far. You may have a different configuration based on your vehicle, but overall, if you have a battery terminal system like this, it should be pretty easy to do. If you have something like what's going on my negative battery terminal, obviously the installation will be a little bit different. So I am going to put the positive battery terminal back on the battery first. So like I said, the reverse of the removal. And now I'm going to tighten that positive battery terminal down onto the battery. And those red and green washers that go on the battery posts are called anti-corrosion pads, and they're supposed to help your battery from getting corroded. You are supposed to replace them every time you change out your battery. Now I'm going to tighten that positive battery terminal until I can no longer twist it by hand. And same deal, I'm going to put on the negative battery terminal, tighten it down until I could no longer move it by hand. Now they do make a spray version of this battery terminal protector. I just figured that if I bought an entire can of spray battery terminal protector, that I would just have that thing sitting around for the rest of my life. And I didn't really want that. So I'm just going to use dielectric grease and a Q-tip, and I'm going to grease down both the positive and negative battery terminals to help prevent corrosion and any water infiltration. I'm going to then take the plastic positive battery cover and put it back in place. And it's pretty much that easy to replace your battery terminals. Obviously, different configurations might present different challenges, but generally I think it's a fairly easy job. Anyway, thanks for checking out my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.